Hello and welcome. Today, we are addressing a common challenge that development and QA teams face during Agile sprints. Let's say you pick up a new user story, and before any coding starts, you are stuck figuring out where to begin. This slows things down, especially for junior developers, or anyone working on the part of the code base with which they are not familiar. But with Copilot for DevOps, you don't have to start from a blank screen. The Generate feature of Copilot for DevOps reads your work item and gives you a ready-made starting point in the form of pseudocode or test scripts.
Let's see how Copilot for DevOps works. Here, we have a user story within Azure DevOps titled Edit User. Here we have added a description for the user story. From here, you can open up the Copilot for DevOps. Once Copilot for DevOps is loaded, you can click on the Generate tab. Next, at the top, select Pseudocode from the Generate drop-down menu. From the language drop-down, you can choose the format you want to generate it. After that, click on the Generate button. On the right-hand side, Copilot shows you the pseudocode generated based on your work item. It's clean, includes comments, and outlines the logic clearly. You can now use this as a starting point. Once the pseudocode is ready, you have two options at the bottom. The first one is a Create Work Item. This option will allow you to create a new work item and embed a pseudocode within that. The second one is the Add to the Field option. Here, you can choose where to add pseudocode within your work item, and then choose whether to add at the top, bottom, or replace existing content. Here, we will add at the bottom of the description. In the existing user story, you can see that our pseudocode is already added at the bottom of the description. Now, let's reopen the Copilot for DevOps to generate a test script. In the Generate drop-down menu, switch from pseudocode to the test script. Choose your framework, and here, let's go with Selenium for now, and click on the Generate button. Just like before, Copilot creates the work item and generates a full Selenium test script based on the description. This can be used by your QA teams or integrated into your CA pipelines as needed. That's how the Generate feature in Copilot for DevOps can help you save time, reduce manual efforts, and keep your sprint planning on track. Whether you are building out logic or setting up test coverage, it gives your team a head start without compromising on the quality. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out our other videos where we cover more use cases of Copilot for DevOps to help you get the most out of your Azure DevOps project.